Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to inform you that I am a part of the design team for Impressions by Harshini Krishnagiri. We are a team of 4 designers, so it's Anusha Vamsi, Archana Thani, UV Chaudhary and myself as team members from July to September 2021. And this is my design team kit which I have received yesterday. So I'm so excited to unbox this for you and I want to show you what's all in this. So let's get started. I just love the way how she has packed it, so neatly packed. This is my DT kit. So let's see what this is. Wow, just look at this. This is a cute little box. Wow, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. It has my name on it, and it has got this best wishes tag, and I just love this. This is so beautiful. This is made by Harshini herself. So Harshini, thank you so much for this. It really looks pretty. Can you see this? This is really so special. Then I have another small gift. These are some tassels, and here there is a small note which says, super happy to have you on my team. Hope you like the kit. Super excited to see your creations. I'm absolutely happy with the kit, Harshini, and I'm just looking forward to work with you and your fabulous team. So thank you so much for this. Okay, so now here's a pack of sequins. These are so cute and so beautiful colors. I'll just show you. So this is like an iridescent pearl color. This is like aqua blue. Then this is neon green, baby pink. This is like a sunshine yellow and almost silverish grey. Okay, there's also a mask here. Then there are some die cuts. Okay, so I'll show you that also. So this is like a square background die. Then these are the nesting square dies. Then there's a nesting circle dies also. So I'll be using all of this in my projects. Then these are beautiful paper packs. These have been launched by Harshini for her brand Impressions. So I'm so happy to use this. This is a 6x6 paper pack which has got 12 sheets. So 2 sheets of each design. So this is a smaller one. So let me just show you. Okay. So these are the 12 designs that you have in the pack. The quality is really nice. It has got a glossy finish, and I think this is around 250 GSM from the thickness I can feel. So these are really beautiful designs, like very apt for making birthday scrap. The next paper pack is called Lovely, which comes in 6x6 and 12x12 packs. These are double-sided 300 GSM papers. I love the designs of this pack. It is just perfect for love theme projects. Then here there are some element sheets. Okay, so this is a beautiful element sheet. Let me just show you. Look at this. I just love the designs. This also has a glossy finish, so you can fussy cut these designs and use them on your projects. This is for the birthday paper pack which I showed you, so this will coordinate well with that. Now next, this is the love theme which will go with the Lovely paper pack. There's a cute couple. Then I love this pink envelope, love theme sentiments. And here there are small mini tags that you can fussy cut and use it in your projects. Alright, then what's next? Here I have one more pack of pattern papers in the A4 size. These are really gorgeous designs, something very different. Okay, there is one more paper pack which looks really pretty. I love polka dots. I personally love polka dot designs a lot. So this is going to be my favorite. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Next we have this gorgeous pearl white glitter sheet. And these are some cardstocks. I love this blue, purple and gold mirror cardstock. The last of the lot, I have this black cardstock which is a 12 by 12 size. Then a white cardstock. Wow, just look at this. This is a magenta colored, velvety cardstock, which is so beautiful. Then there is this bluish color, shimmery cardstock. And this is a beautiful golden paper which has got some pattern on that. So that's all from my DT kit. Comment below to tell me which products you love the most. In the meantime, I will leave you with my interactive cards tutorial playlist. Do check them out. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye and take care.